Standard 10th Geography Chapter 5 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Exercise Question number 1. On the basis of the information given in the chapter, figures and maps, complete the table below. Types of forest, characteristics, regions in India, regions in Brazil. Tropical type of forest, characteristics, broad-leaved evergreen trees, regions in India, Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Western Ghats, the hills of northeast India, the foothills of Himalayas. Regions in Brazil, Amazon Basin, Guyana Highland. Semi-arid thorny vegetation. Characteristics: the leaves are small in size. Regions in India, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, some part of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, parts of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Regions in Brazil, Rio Grande do Norte, Pernambuco, Alagoas, Paraíba, Ceará. Type of forest: savanna. Characteristics: scanty bushes and shrubs like trees and rain-resistant grass. Regions in India, most of the plateau of peninsular region. Regions in Brazil, Goiás, Mato Grosso do Sul, Tocantins, Minas Gerais. Type of forest: tropical semi-deciduous. Characteristics: mixed type of vegetation. Regions in India, Central India, South India, areas between Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Regions in Brazil, Cerrado, Caatinga, Pantanal. Type of forest: grasslands. Grassland region like the Pampas of Argentina. Regions in India, Gangetic Plains, foothills of the Siwalik Hills and the Brahmaputra Plains in Assam. Regions in Brazil, Pampas and Campos. Question number 2. Identify the odd man out. First one, forest type of Brazil. A. Thorny bush type vegetation. B. Evergreen forest. C. The Himalayan forest. D. Decidious forest. Answer: the Himalayan forest. Second question, with reference to India. A. Mangrove forest. B. Mediterranean forest. C. Thorny bush type vegetation. D. Equatorial forest. Answer: Mediterranean forest. Third question, with reference to fauna of Brazil. Option A. Anaconda. B. Tamarind. C. Macaw. D. Lion. Answer: lion. Fourth question, with reference to flora of India. Option A. Deodar. B. Anjan. C. Orchid. D. Banyan. Answer: orchid. Match the columns. Evergreen forest, Sundar trees. Deciduous forest, pine. Coastal forest, Pau Brazil. Himalayan forest, teak. Thorny and bush type vegetation, orchid and sal. Answer: evergreen forest, pau Brazil; deciduous forest, teak; coastal forest, sundari trees; Himalayan forest, pine; thorny and bush type vegetation, khijadi. Question number 4. Answer in short. Differentiate between the forest type of Brazil and India. Forest type of India, forest type of Brazil. The location of India is far away from equator, therefore the tropical evergreen forests are not seen in India. Forest type of Brazil. The northern region near equator in Brazil resists abundant sunshine and heavy rainfall. The tropical evergreen forests are seen in northern part of Brazil. Forest type of India. Himalayan forests are found in northern part and snow-covered mountains region in India. Forest type of Brazil. No snow-covered mountains regions are found in Brazil. The Himalayan forests seen in India are not seen in Brazil. Second question. Correlate wildlife and natural vegetation in India and Brazil. Answer: the wildlife of any country is dependent on its natural vegetation. Animals that prey on the plant eating animals also live in the forests. Thus, many food chains develop in the forest. Forests or grasslands are the habitats for many animals. It is basically due plants that there are many animals. For example, in the Gir forest of India, along with lion, herbivorous animals are also found there. Similarly, in the rivers, estuaries, and coastal areas, turtles, crocodiles, and gharials are found. Next point. Brazil near the Amazon River basin in the evergreen forest regions. Tall trees are seen and on these trees tamarind is found. In this way, the wildlife and natural vegetation in India and Brazil are correlated with each other. Third question. What environmental issues are faced by Brazil and India? Answer: in both countries there is a significant decline of wildlife. This is mainly due to illegal smuggling of animals, poaching of endangered species, pollution, etc. Deforestation is another big problem confronting our society. This led to degradation of environment. Pollution is the next threat to the environment. It has led to the degradation of environment. Next question, fourth one. What are the major causes of degradation of forest in Brazil and India? Answer. The major causes of degradation of forest in Brazil and India are as follows. Both the countries are developing countries. In both the countries, due to industrialization, there is urbanization. Due to urbanization, new cities develop and expand. So, the vast areas of land under forest are cleared. People of both countries are cutting down trees and reducing forest cover to bring more land under cultivation. As a result, it is reducing the area of the forest. Fourth question. Why does the deciduous type of vegetation occupy most of India? Answer. Rainfall and climate are the two important factors which affect the natural vegetation of any country. India is a tropical region and it has a monsoon type of climate. It has maximum rainfall from the month of June to September. India experiences hot climate throughout the year. Due to this, deciduous forests are found here. These forests found in regions where the rainfall is between 1000 mm to 2000 mm. Question number 5. Give geographical reasons. First question. The northern part of Brazil is covered by dense forests. Answer. The northern part of Brazil is the equatorial region. It rains throughout the year. Hence, the climate is hot and it rains throughout the year. It has convectional type of rainfall. These environmental conditions are favorable for the growth of trees. Evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. Second question. Vegetation is scarce in the high altitude of Himalayas. Answer. The climate is very cold in the high altitude of Himalayas. During winters in Jammu and Kashmir and parts of mountainous regions, Himalayas, the temperature dropped to minus 40 degrees Celsius and heavy snowfall. Due to this, land which is covered with snow becomes unsuitable for vegetation. Hence, seasonably flowering trees are found here. Therefore, due to very cold temperature, vegetation is scarce in the high altitude of Himalayas. Third question. A wide variety of species of insects is found in Brazil. Answer. A greater diversity in wildlife is found in Brazil than any other country in the world. Heavy rainfall, huge, hot and humid climate, frequent flooding of rivers, swampy lands, sunlight unable to reach the ground due to dense forests create favorable climate for the insect to survive. These regions it serves as a favorable ground for insects to breed. Hence, a wide variety of species of insects are found here. Fourth one, wildlife in India is decreasing day by day. Answer, many species of wildlife are on the verge of extinction from India because of poaching, pollution, and rapidly occurring deforestation. Example, cheetahs. Next point. The government of India has set up number of national parks, wild sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, and biosphere reserve for the protection of wildlife and forests in India. Fifth question. Like India, there is need of conservation of forests in Brazil too. Answer, degradation of environment is happening due to illegal smuggling of wild animals, slash and burn agriculture, deforestation, pollution, etc. Brazil is facing this problem. India has also facing the same problem. But our government of India has set up number of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries and biosphere reserves for the protection of wildlife and forests in India.